President Muhammadu Buhari don advise the High Commissioner of United Kingdom, Richard Mogori, to always uphold the noble standard of diplomacy like his predecessor. To respect the traditional institution for Nigeria, President when received letter of credence from the United Kingdom High Commissioner and a counterpart for Democratic Republic of Sri Lanka, Kanayata, say relationship with both countries go further dey strong with their consideration for local culture, traditional rules and institutions. President Buhari for separate meeting with Ambassador Mogori and Ambassador Kenayata talk say he like the way our traditional rules and institutions dey respected even for our challenging time, education and rising matter, and say many things dey to learn from our culture and traditional institutions and everybody must respect them. President will tell the High Commissioner of the United Kingdom say they must sustain the relationship when them don build for many years and mutual respect for culture, and say they go enjoy their stay for Nigeria, and say the culture exchange through education and training with British don start for many years, and he remember them the military training for Monks Office Cadet School for Aldershot, England from 1962 to 1963, and the Mechanical Transport Office course for Army Mechanical Transport School for Bodom, United Kingdom 1964, and say good understanding of culture difference and respect for institution now bring the success of United Kingdom, and say previous diplomat don establish relationship with Sultan of Sokoto, Emir of Kano, Shehu of Borno and Emir of Ilori, the ancient gate to the north, and say one of his meeting with King Charles III, he asked am some interesting question if he get house for England, and he reply say he no get house anywhere outside Nigeria. President tell the Sri Lanka diplomat say particularly of women for politics and governance for Nigeria don steadily increase over the years, and he referred to the first female Prime Minister of Sri Lanka, Magadinka, and recently say Nigeria almost get first female governor. Mogori said the United Kingdom don always hold Nigeria and its cultural institution with high esteem, and relay the best wishes of King Charles III as Nigeria prepare for handing over ceremony May 29. Say the monarch don be integral part of the British system and it don remain major attraction and source of honor. The British High Commissioner of Sri Lanka tell President Buhari say the country go continue to share skills and experience with Nigerian military to tackle insecurity, and assure say he go continue the effort of his predecessor by strengthening relationship on energy project wey already start for East Africa. Officers and brigade band welcome the two commissioners to Nigeria and State House. Ifunanya Okweze, TMC TV News.